Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I have another delicious soup for you guys today. I'm going to be making corn chowder. And this soup is so comforting. It's hearty and creamy. It's just delicious. Now I have all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. So to a large soup pot, I'm going to add 4 slices of bacon that I have chopped. And I'm just going to let this bacon cook until it gets nice and crispy. So once the bacon is crisp, you'll want to remove it and place it on a plate. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And then what I have here is about 1/2 cup each of onion, celery, and carrots that I have chopped. So I'm going to let these cook until the vegetables start to get a little tender and the onions become translucent. And next I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. All right, then I have 1/4 cup of flour. I'm just going to sprinkle it in. All right, then I have 4 cups or 1 quart of chicken broth. I'm also going to add about 3 pounds of diced potatoes, and these are Idaho Russet potatoes. I'm going to add them. And next, what I have here is 3 cups of frozen corn. Now this is corn that I had over the summer, and I took the corn off the cob and then froze it. So this is fresh corn. It's going to be delicious. And this is right around 3 cups. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And I'm also going to add a cup of water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. And about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And a teaspoon of dried thyme. All right, now I'm just going to let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are tender. And I'm cooking it on a medium to low heat. All right, so the soup has been cooking for about 30 minutes. The potatoes are nice and tender. Now I'm going to add the bacon. Oh my goodness, guys, this soup is so creamy and hearty. Oh, you guys gotta check this out. And you could top this with some shredded cheddar cheese, sliced green onion, a dollop of sour cream would be delicious, but I like it just like it is. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.